position. See, by mistake, don't change your position this way. Okay, you must be in this position only, here like this. Okay, so both leg is going behind and chair is to the side. After that, what you need to do, put your knee to the side, but without changing the back leg position. When you will put the knee on the chair, so maybe this leg, lower leg can move right and left. It should be maintained same. Okay, your position is totally to the side from the chair, this way. Okay, come here. Then dao go here. Okay, so first you need to come to the side. Now, if you feel the chair height is higher, what you can do? You can put one block under the knee. Okay, just to maintain balance. So first you are totally to the side, then put the knee on the chair. After that, raise the knees up. Okay, raise the knees up. Raise the feet up. Then try to put it under your chin. After that, the hand will go to the chair. Then upper hand, if possible, catch the elbow or wrist. Keep here, keep going down as possible. So the lower leg is maintained same like camel position or cat position. Lower leg doesn't move anything. After that, you can do some more variation. If you can find the balance, both elbow, or you can interlock your finger and if possible, interlock your finger. Now, if you can't hook here, so just hook it to the elbow, then take it up here. Then interlock your finger. Okay, first you try to bend the elbow, then elbow must be straight and head will be in between the hand, or you can touch the head to the feet. If you can't put your toes to the chin, you just bring here this way. Okay, check everybody. So first put the chair to the side and come in a camel position. And Miss Aurora, be careful with the knee joint. You have to see this way. We change the pose. What you need to do? First you need to the gap from the wall. The gap from the wall and your body must be one leg here. See, straight. Okay. So the hip and knee is 90 degree, and raise the leg up same as a hip level, not more higher, not more down. Okay, first you need to be stable here. If you stable here, then only when you will do next step you will be stable. If you are not stable here, then the next step will be difficult for you. Okay, you can take a block also, just in case maybe you need support. Now back to tuck in. After that, see what I do? Try to put the elbow down. Elbow down. Okay. Then take the elbow above the head, or you can directly touch the toe. Then just take it your elbow above the head. Now if you can't, you can try to find the balance, raise the toes up. Okay. I saw on her. Oh. Yes. See, first maintain the leg 90 degree. Yeah. Okay. Hai mom thang. Both hip in one line. Each chan suang. No. Okay. Dao goi ở đây. Dao goi. Okay. See, first maintain the both hip in one line and be stable here. Now you have to do side bend. Put the hands down. Now, if possible, put the elbow down. Then with the right hand catch your toe. With the hand catch the toe, which hand is up, and slowly raise the elbow above the head and just stay here. First drop your elbow down, then upper hand need to catch the toe and just done. Only this much. Now again lane. If you can't drop your elbow down, it will be difficult for you. So what you can do in the beginning only, put this way. Then hands down, but hands will be behind. Keep moving the hands forward. Then catch the toe. catch the toe. After that, stay here. Okay, you need to somehow catch the toe or try to put the elbow down. But the balancing will be challenge here. So you need to first stable, then try to go down. Check everyone. What you need to do? First bend the both leg. Now I take her right leg down. So you need to put the right knee down first. And another leg is keep bending here. Now this feet, try to bring it to the chin, the knee to the, you need to bring it to the chin here. If you can't, so try to bring it to the armpit. Okay. So bring it closer to the under the chin to the throat region. Shoulder will be down. If you can't take it to the chin, you can hook it to the shoulder. Then after that, raise the both hands up, bend your elbow. One will be bend the elbow and another will be elbow straight. Thang tai. Just this. Okay, look good. Take the knee down and take the leg up. Okay. Then after that, you have to put the elbow down. Come here. See like this. First, keep facing properly to the wall. Okay, keep facing properly to the wall. Then raise the leg up, one leg up. Okay. Then after that, just a little far from the wall. Now after that, push the hip closer towards the wall. In this, closer towards the wall. Then put the left hand down. It means the leg which is behind that hand down. Now again, if possible, raise the put the elbow down. But if you can't, same way you need to try to raise the toes up, leg up. Thigh filing, catch mui chan. Okay. If possible, try here like this. So you have to raise the toes up and keep pushing the hip towards the wall. This one will be the easy. Now dropping the elbow, you require a little bit more balancing. Yeah. So put the elbow down, at the same time keep pushing the hip down. Then with the upper hand you need to catch the toe and just stay there. Elbow is front and the leg is behind. Okay. Keep pushing the hip more towards the wall. So dropping the elbow down is a little bit difficult. Check everybody. Come up, inhale, bring your right leg forward, raise the both hands up. Push the hip down. Exhale, go to the side bend. Then with the right hand, catch your left elbow and stay there. Keep looking toward the left side. Everybody stay here. 6, stay there. Come on, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, inhale. Now exhale, put your right shoulder under the knee, both hands straight. Open the hands wider. Yeah, shoulder under the knee, then open your hands wider. Right. Stay here. 6. Come on, 5, 4, stay there. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, again, come back, inhale, and exhale, take it back to the down dog, push your shoulder down, keep moving back, everybody, press down and stretch, more down,